DAPU's Brick Force Wire Mesh Welding Machine is designed for efficient production of ladder mesh used in masonry walls. It welds wires from 1.5 to 3.2 mm at speeds up to 100 times per minute. With automatic feeding, welding, and cutting, it can produce 2 rolls at one time, ideal for reinforcing brick joints in homes, partitions, and retaining walls. Controlled via PLC touchscreen with real-time error alerts. Compact, easy to operate, and CE certified. Trusted in 100+ countries. DAPU offers reliable support, free training materials, and lifetime service. Start producing reinforcement mesh with precision and speed. Contact DAPU today.